open the Disney Junior birthday book for November.
Happy birthday! Today's a big day that comes once a year. It's your birthday. The day is here. Your party's gonna be greater than great. It's your birthday. Let's celebrate. Light the candles, make a wish. Your cake and ice cream are so delicious. Open your presents and play games too. It's your birthday. We're celebrating you. Yay!
To everyone whose birthday is in November, all your friends are here to say,
Have a special once a year day, a magic give a cheer day.